In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add legal pages in Hostinger Website Builder. It's an essential task for anyone managing a website, especially for ensuring compliance and building trust with your visitors by having all necessary legal disclaimers and privacy policies in place. So let's dive right in and go through the steps to get this set up smoothly. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Hostinger account. If you haven't already, log in by visiting the Hostinger homepage. Once you've accessed your account, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard where you manage all your websites. From there, find and click on the option labeled Edit Website. This is essentially your command center for customizing and improving your site's framework. By accessing the Edit option, you gain the ability to seamlessly manipulate various elements of your website's development. Now, with the website editor open, your next action is to locate the Pages section. On most interfaces, this is readily available on the sidebar, making it easy to access and only a click away. This area is crucial as it compiles all the components that make up your site. By managing these pages, you exercise control over the core and additional content that both decorate and inform your digital presence. Now that you're in the Pages section, it's time to add new content. Here, look for and select the option to Add Page. Hostinger's user-friendly interface should make this a straightforward process, effectively guiding you towards contributing fresh sections to the existing setup. Once you're in the process of adding a page, you have multiple templates and suggestions tailor-made for different purposes. You'll want to direct your attention to legal content and specifically look for an option like Privacy Policy. Clicking on this will allow you to easily create and integrate a legal page into your website. It's important that this step shouldn't be underestimated. A privacy policy outlines how your site handles personal data and visitor information. Such transparency is not only crucial for compliance with legal standards like GDPR, but also fosters trust with your audience. If you haven't already fleshed out the content of your legal pages, this would also be a good time to consult with a legal expert to ensure that your policies meet all necessary regulations. Once you've added your privacy policy, take a moment to review how it sits within the overall design of your website. Ensure it's accessible to users, perhaps by linking it in your site's footer. Visibility and accessibility are key to ensuring compliance and cultivating user trust. And there you have it, a straightforward path to enhancing your site's credibility and compliance through Hostinger's Website Builder. Be sure to regularly update these legal pages to reflect any changes in your business practices or privacy regulations. Thank you for watching and happy website building!